everyone! I'm Lily. Today, we will learn 5 important prepositions. Let's begin. Under. We use under for below something. Under. I hide under the table. I hide under the table. I sit under a big tree. I sit under a big tree. I walk under a pink umbrella. I walk under a pink umbrella.
I read under a yellow lamp. I read under a yellow lamp.
Over. We use over for above or across something. I hang a painting over the fireplace. I hang a painting over the fireplace. I glide over a calm lake. I glide over a calm lake. I throw a ball over the net. I throw a ball over the net. I put a blanket over my shoulders. I put a blanket over my shoulders. Near. We use near for close to something. Near. I paint near a sunny window. I paint near a sunny window. I park near the corner shop. I park near the corner shop. I plant flowers near the gate. I plant flowers near the gate. I rest near a fountain. I rest near a fountain. Between. We use between for in the middle of two things. I walk between the grapevines. I walk between the grapevines. I place a candle between 2 books. I place a candle between 2 books. I sit between 2 soft cushions. I sit between 2 soft cushions. I hang a swing between 2 trees. I hang a swing between 2 trees. During. We use during for while something happens. I clap during the football match. I clap during the football match. I watch stars during the dark night. I watch stars during the... I feel happy during the snowfall. I feel happy during the snow... I focus during the math class. I focus during the math class. Can you write 5 sentences using these prepositions? Write them in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.